Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to use Antd Modal in React. So let's get started. So here I have a React app running. So to use Antd Modal, we'll have to go to our terminal where the React app is running and just close the terminal and then type in npm install --save antd. Now this will install Antd for us. Now Antd is installed. Now we'll type in npm start to start it again. And now we'll have to go to the Antd website, that is ant.design. I'll provide the link in the description. Now we'll just search for modal. Click on this. Now here we'll get some examples for modals. We'll just select the basic one for now and we'll just click on this show code button. Here we'll get the code for the modal. Now we'll just copy this and just go to our React app and just paste it in. And then copy this functions and then paste it in here inside the app. Now we'll again go back to the Antd website and then copy this imports and just paste it in there. Now if you save this, so now it's done. So let's go ahead and check if it's working or not. So I'll go to the React app and then click on open modal. So here's some issue. So to fix this issue, I'll go back to the Antd website and just go to the home page. I'll just click on getting started and scroll down a bit. And here I'll get the CSS import. Now I'll copy this and go to my app.js and just paste it in there. I'll also move this app.css below the Antd CSS. Now if we go ahead and check, the colors seems fine. So if you click on open modal, here you can see the modal appears perfectly fine. So this was all on how to use Antd Modal in React. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.